Hi students, good morning. This is Srinivasa Perumal. Today we are going to discuss about surface area volume to find the volume of cylinder. So it's very simple. So it is similar to the previous, the volume of cube and cuboid. So let's move for examples. Everyone familiar for this biscuit, the Oreo. So the shape is like a circular and the packet of this biscuit is look like a cylinder. So the height of the packet is h, and the radius value is based on this value. So radius is r. So the base, just finding the area of the base, that means area of single biscuit. So you're just finding this area, the radius is r. So the area of the each biscuit, so area of the each biscuit, so pi times of r square. I need the volume of packet. So the packet containing this height, just multiply the base area is multiplied by the height. So the normal volume formula, base is multiplied by height, that means the base area. So here base area means the single biscuit area. So the area is pi times of r square and height of the biscuit packet is h. So the final value is pi r square h. So this is volume of cylinder. In question number 1, exercise 13.6. The circumference of the base of the cylinder vessels is 132 centimeter. So circumference, the formula is 2 pi r. So this value is equal to 132 centimeter. Then its height is 25 centimeter. So height, so representing the h is equal to 25 centimeter. How many liters of water can be hold? So we need to find the volume of this one, and the important concept is the volume to liter conversion. So 1000 centimeter cube is equal to 1 liter. So this is very important point. Maybe sometimes books are or the questions are not mentioned at this point. So we need to remember this one. Next, so from the circumference, so 2 pi r is equal to 132 centimeter. Then replacing the values, 2 into, then pi is 22 by 7, 22 divided by 7, and we need to find the radius. So r is equal to 132 centimeter. Now the r value is equal to 132 divided by, this time this 2 will be denominator moving to right side. So 2 into 22 and 7. So after simplify we getting r is equal to 21 centimeter. Then volume of the cylinder, simple, pi r square times of h. So just replacing the values, pi is 22 by 7, then r square, r is equal to 21, we just multiply that twice. So 21 into 21, then value of height is 25 centimeter. Then I'm just cancelling 3. Then after simplifying, we're getting 3, 4, 6, 5, 0 centimeter cube. So this is volume. but we need to find the liters. So 1000 centimeter cube is equal to 1 liter. So we need to find the liter, means just divide by 1000. Liter is equal to volume divided by 1000. So 34650 divided by 1000. So just make 3 points. So after cancelling, just put the points here. So the final value is 34.65 liters. So the important point is 1000 centimeter cube is equal to 1 liter. So the final statement, the cylindrical vessels can hold up to 34.65 liters of water. The inner diameter of a cylindrical wooden pipe is 24 and its outer diameter is 28. The length of the pipe is 35 centimeter. So find the mass of the pipe, and 1 centimeter cube of wooden has mass of 0.6 gram. So it is similar to the previous one, just compare, but it's a hollow. So the first, so this is one, the inner value. This value is equal to 24 centimeter, and the outer diameter, this is 28 centimeter, and height also given. So both are the same only. Height is equal to 35 centimeter. Now we need to find the mass of the pipe. That means we just finding the volumes and just multiply the mass. So we need to find the volume, but we need to find the volume of pipe only, not for entire value. So it's very simple. Just finding the outer pipe volume, the diameter is 28 minus of the inner side. This diameter is equal to 24 centimeter, and both height is 35. Here also the 35. So just find volume of this one minus of volume 2. So the formula of this one is volume of outer cylinder minus volume of inner cylinder. So from the first cylinder, the outer cylinder, the diameter I just fixing D out. Diameter is 28 centimeter. So we need to find the radius only. So radius equal to diameter divided by 2. So the radius of outer cylinder is 28 by 2 is 14 centimeter, and the inner cylinder radius. So d in is equal to 24 centimeter, and we need to find the radius of inner cylinder. So 24 divided by 2 is 12 centimeter. Then both height is same only, so just replacing the values. So volume of pipe is equal to pi r square h. That means r outer square h minus of pi r inner radius square h. So now just compare, the both pi is common and also the height is same, so just take it out. So 3.14 is multiplied by height. Height is 35. So using a 3.14, or the pi means 22 divided by 7 or 3.14. So both are the same values only. R is R out. The R out is 14. So 14 square minus of R in. That means 12. So 12 square. Then the final value of this one is 5720 centimeter cube. So this is equal to the volume of pipe. Then we need to find mass of this one. So normally the given question, volume of 1 centimeter cube is equal, that means the mass of 1 centimeter cube is equal to 0.6 gram. So it's very simple. Just multiply this value. So the mass of value, the total mass is equal to just multiply volume into this value, so 0.6 gram. So the volume is 5720. 5720 is multiplied by 0.6. So this value is equal to 3432. But so normally representing the volume and the mass in kg. So we're just converting the grams into kg. So just divide by 1000. Mass of pipe is equal to 3432 gram, and also it is equal to 3432 divided by 1000 kilogram. So then final value is equal to 3.432 kilogram. Exercise 13.6, question number 4, 5 is homework. Thank you.